3, 2, 1. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Here I plan to share my experience, my journey and my creativity with you. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. How about that? Well, I'm in a festive mood right now because I don't know, our Mother's Day up and running, and we have to give thanks to all the mothers and shout out to each and every woman, whether you have a child or not. You all are mothers, because a lot of you guys don't have any kids, but you are good mothers to others. So anyway guys, I'm gonna make myself for my Mother's Day potato pudding, Jamaica potato pudding. So stay tuned to my channel and see what I do. So right now my ingredients are potato, of course, coconut, the original coconut. I have sugar, I have flour, nutmeg, cinnamon, almond flavor, and I'll have a little rose water here, also salt and vanilla. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm finishing grating my sweet potato, so soon we're gonna get started. Okay, so we're gonna mix our wet ingredients. I'm using like a teaspoon of vanilla, just a tip of rose water, not much. And tip of almond as well, not much, just a little bit in the cork. You notice I'm pouring it from out of the cork. Okay, and then okay, so I'm gonna add some sugar. I have here a cup and a half of sugar. You gotta mix this very well to get rid of the sugar and make this dissolve properly. Okay, so I'm gonna set this aside a little, and let's get the dry ingredients. I have here a cup of flour. I'm not gonna use all of it. I think this is good. In case you need more, you add, because I have here like about 2 pounds of grated sweet potato. Okay, I'm gonna put like this like 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Same go for the cinnamon. Okay, and then I'm gonna add a little salt, not much, just a little. I don't want too much salt in here. This like 1/2 teaspoon. Right, so let me mix my dry ingredients. Okay, Okay guys, so I have here my dry ingredient, which is my cinnamon, nutmeg, and my salt right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back on the wet ingredient a little. Right, see the sugar, we want the sugar to dissolve. In here I have my coconut milk, my vanilla, sugar, and I'm gonna add my dry ingredients to the wet ingredients soon, but I'm just trying to get the sugar to dissolve a little. Tastes really nice guys already. Tastes like you want a little more sugar. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little more sugar. So the total sugar would be like a pound of sugar. Right. So I have 2 pounds of grated sweet potato. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add my potato in the wet mixture right about now. Yep. Sweet potato pudding. Many Jamaican favorite. Okay guys, let's mix this together. It smells so nice. We can't wait to eat it. Okay, this smells so good. Hope you guys see what I'm doing. Okay. And I have here some grated coconut, freshly grated. I like coconut in it. Some people don't, but this is optional. This is my way, so remember, you don't have to, but this is my way. I like my coconut in my potato pudding. Yep guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add my wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. I'm mixing it. We have to mix this real well so that it will flour them mix out properly. I don't use a lot of flour because I don't want to overpower my potato. So I'm gonna leave the link of the amount of ingredients I use to make this potato pudding. To mix it really well. No, I want to feel. We need a bigger bowl, but nevertheless. And remember, if you think you need to add like a little more flour, you should go ahead and do that. But I'm not gonna add any more. I like the consistency of what I have here. Okay guys, so I'm gonna place in in the oven. So I'm gonna go ahead and grease my pan. Oh, let me say, I'm gonna add some butter, just a little teaspoon really. Let me show you guys. Look at that, guys. It smells so nice. Trust me, with that right now, I can't wait for you finish. So there we go. My mixture of potato pudding. Tastes nice. You can know how definitely how your cake are gonna turn out by the mixture. Trust me. Really nice. Okay, let me set this aside. I need to I went ahead and grease my not grease I went ahead and set my oven at 350 degree. I'm gonna pour this in my baking pan, and then now I'm gonna leave it to bake for an hour and a half. Okay. Alright, so my pan is greased. I'm gonna pour my mixture in it. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm gonna place my mixture in my baking pan, my potato pudding. So let's go guys. Look at that, guys. Wow, it smells so nice. I like it. Mouth run water already. Tomorrow this will be eaten on Mother's Day. You guys can have peace. Okay, so I'm gonna place it in the oven now. Okay guys. Okay guys, so I removed my potato pudding from the oven. This is what it looks like. Nice, right? Oops. Anyway, I go ahead and I mix some sugar together with a little coconut milk and a little vanilla. So I'm gonna just place it here on top of my potato pudding, and I'm gonna place it back in the oven for like 20 minutes. You know that little gummy thing always on top of the pudding when nice happy pudding? Well, that's what I want on my pudding top. So this is why I'm putting this on top, to get that little gumminess. Finger licking pudding. Yep. My potato pudding. So I just want it to be on top. I don't want it to go around the edges, like just in the middle really. There we go. So I'm gonna place this back in the oven for another 20 minutes, and we're good.